In this video, I'll show you how to order a replacement Wise card. Step 1. Open the Wise app or website. Log into your Wise account using the mobile app or at wise.com. I will leave a link to wise.com in the description down below. Step 2. Go to the Cards tab. Select the Cards section and choose the card you need to replace. Step 3. Tap or click Replace Card. Click the Replace Card button. You'll be asked the reason, whether it was lost, stolen, or not working. Step 4. Select the reason and block if needed. If your card is lost, the card will be frozen and can be unfrozen later if found. If stolen, your card is permanently blocked and cannot be reactivated. For a damaged card, you can continue using your digital card while waiting for a new one. Step 5. Confirm delivery address. Enter and confirm your address for the new card delivery. Check region-specific delivery times. This can be from 2 to 21 working days. Step 6. Await replacement and use digital card. After submitting, a new card will be sent. In the meantime, you can use your virtual card or Apple/Google Pay if available. Now I have some tips for the replacement. Replacement usually incurs a small fee. If your card is expiring, Wise alerts you to order a replacement before the expiry date. For ongoing fraud or account issues, contact Wise support immediately. And that's how you replace your Wise card. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe. And if you have any questions, you can just leave them in the comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Have a nice day, bye.